Good morning, students. Today we will start our new topic, that is the cold desert Ladakh. Before that, do you know Ladakh, known as the land of high passes in a cold desert in the state of Jammu Kashmir? Basically, what are passes? Passes are nothing but is a navigable route through a mountain ranges. And mountain ranges is a series of mountains that are close together and connected by high ground. They are made up of administrative district Leh and Ladakh, and also it covers a total area of around 87,000 square kilometers. Ladakh is a cold desert lying in the Great Himalayas on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir, and the Karakoram Range in the north and Zanskar Mountains in the south enclose it. Several rivers flows through it, Ladakh, and among them in the Indus being the most important. Several glaciers are found in Ladakh, for example, Gangri glaciers. So here are pictures of glacier and the Ladakh glacier. And here you can see the locational setting of it. See here the Ladakh range, the passes which pass through it, Baralachala, Rotang Pass, and the rivers Indus, etc. Now comes to the climate of Ladakh. The altitude in Ladakh varies from about 3000 meter in Kargil to more than 8000 meter in the Karakoram. Due to its high altitude, the climate remains extremely cold and dry. The air at this altitude is so thin that the heat of the sun can be felt intensely. The day temperatures in summer are just above 0 degrees and the night temperatures well below minus 30 degree. Ladakh lies in the rain shadow of the Himalayas, due to which it receives little rainfall, as low as 10 centimeters every year. The area experiences freezing winds and burning hot sunlight. Now comes to the flora and fauna. Due to high aridity, the vegetation is sparse, that is less in number. There are scanty patches of grasses and shrubs for animals to graze. Groups of willows and poplars are seen in the valleys. These are the trees. During the summers, fruit trees such as apples, apricots, and walnuts bloom. Robins, redstarts, Tibetan snowcock, raven, and hoopso are sighted in Ladakh. Some of these are migratory birds. The animals of Ladakh are wild goats, wild sheep, yak, and special kinds of dogs. The animals are reared to provide for the milk, meats, and hides. Yak's milk is used to make cheese and butter. Hair of the sheep and goat is used to make woolens. Now comes to the people of Ladakh. People of Ladakh are either Muslims or Buddhist. In fact, several Buddhist monasteries dot the Ladakhi landscape with their traditional gompas. Gompas, it is a Buddhist temple often found in the Himalayan regions of the Tibet, Nepal, India, and Bhutan. Gompas comes from the Tibetan word which means the place of meditation. Some famous monasteries are Hemis, Tiske, She, and Lamayuru. The women work not only in the house and fields but also manage small business and shops. Tourism is a major activity with several tourists streaming in from within India and abroad. So here is another example. The Antarctic is actually the Earth's largest desert. The main form of precipitation in a cold desert is snow, but only 10 inches or less per year. The Sahara is the largest hot desert. These are covered in sand and rock. And do you know the finest cricket bats are made from the wood of the willow trees? So that's all about the topic. Thank you.